Do you not have a dad or even a father figure? Well, do I have news for you. I have not shaved for the whole month of November just for you. To start off, you're going to need a razor. The way you get this doesn't really matter. The best course of action is to hit up the nearest grocery store or ask your mother. And the queen she is will probably take you over to the store to grab two important things for shaving. Here, I have a standard reusable razor. You will also need some shaving cream. You could either get this Barbasol cream or this weird gel stuff. You can also get aftershave, but I doubt any of you are ready for that. It's also important to note that if you're just growing the initial pedo stash like this fine gentleman right here, you can just use a cheap electric razor like so to get the job done until you get to the big leagues. Once you have all the materials, you can prepare the work area. Give the shaving cream a shake, and then start by applying the shaving cream to all areas of the face that you desire to shave. And for me, this is going to be my entire face. After you have felt the amazing experience of applying shaving cream for the first time, there is one more vital step to shaving that you need to know before we get chopping down that patchy facial hair you got going on. You really have to make sure the faucet is running hot water. This shit gotta be steaming. Once you get the water as hot as it can go ahead and dip in your razor to get it hot and ready for action. After that, give the razor a little tap to get rid of any excess water, and then you can start shaving. I like going from left to right, so that's how I'm going to show you guys. Traditionally, I start by checking out the sideburns, and I make sure to check and see if they're even and clean cut. You then want to start at the desired place on the sideburn, and then make your way down. Do this slowly, and make sure to never shave diagonally. This results in the razor cutting your skin, and you will bleed. This is definitely something that most people that shave go through from time to time, so don't worry, just cover the cut up with a little piece of tissue or toilet paper. Continue the straight down motion for most of the shave, and make sure to put your razor under the hot water to make sure that none of the hair gets clogged into the razor. Failing to do this will make the razor unusable very fast because the hair will be stuck in between the razor blades. You can also give your eyebrows a little once over as well, and shave if you're getting a premature or full on unibrow. After you get completely done with the shave, this should be the end result. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe so that you can see the next episode where I show you guys how to shave your balls. Thanks for watching.